Hello, Namaste, welcome to High Fabrics, and this time I am bringing the Chanderi cotton suits which are specialized in Dabu print. Yes, these Dabu print comes in many different colors unlike the indigo colors. Indigo is the only blue, but here in Dabu print there are many attractive colors are available, and today I am going to show all the different colors in one by one. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, the first one here is the beautiful rustic maroon color suit. See the beautiful suit. The suit will look like this, but if we open the suit, will look how beautiful it is. Yes, this will be your suit. This will be the beautiful rustic maroon color suit, and bottom also coming this side only, and your bottom will be like this. This is your bottom. Total suit will be in the same color only, but the pattern from bottom and top a bit varies. And this is your bottom and this is your top. Yes. And here comes the dupatta. Dupatta is very smooth, flowy, comes in 2.5 meter length with zari border on both sides. Yes. This will be your dupatta. Beautiful rustic maroon dupatta with the same color top and bottom, and this suit is available at 2600. Very beautiful suit. You can find in many colors. I'm going to show the other colors also. Yes. Next, violet, beautiful violet color suit. This will be your suit, and I'll show you quickly. Yeah, this will be the top, and here in this will be your bottom. This will be the bottom and this will be the top. You can use either of it as top or bottom. It's depending upon you only. And this is a gorgeous violet dupatta. Yes. This will be the dupatta. And this is the top. A beautiful violet suit, comes with dupatta and bottom and top at just 2600 only. There is no compromising quality. You can feel the elegance and soft, the smoothness it gives after wearing this. Wearing handloom is something like the comfort it gives. It's uncomparable. And again, this is a dark pink. We can call it as Rani pink. Rani pink suit. Again, in this also, bottom will be like the same with a different print. You can see this is the bottom and this is the top. It's small leaf type pattern print. It is a Dabu print, and all this Dabu print is famous in Madhya Pradesh, and this stock came from Madhya Pradesh only. And this will be the beautiful dupatta. Yeah, the royal look it gives. And I definitely tell you that these Dabu suits and indigo suits, whatever it is, all these suits definitely gonna make your day so beautiful, and that gives you the special look in a crowd. See, this is a beautiful Rani pink suit. Next, again the same rustic maroon color, and last time we seen in different pattern. This time the print is different. Everything else is the same. Same rustic maroon color, only the difference is the print. Here the print is little bit smaller, small leaf pattern, and previously we have seen some large leaf pattern. So this will be the same. I am not going to open it. Same 2.5 meter dupatta, same top and bottom. This will be the rustic maroon color suit. This is also priced at 2600 only. And next, the elegant and sweet, sober, light grey color. Actually, we think that it's very light, and maybe we cannot look special, but some colors, some pastel colors, they will definitely make our day very beautiful. See how beautiful this color it is. The richness and the elegance of this grey color is beautiful. This will be your bottom. Yes, this is the bottom and this is the top. And dupatta is same like 2.5 meters, comes with zari border on both sides. Top and bottom also comes with zari border on both sides. beautiful dupatta, beautiful grey color dupatta. See, it's really so sweet, beautiful and simple. And this suit also priced at 2,600 only. Pure Chanderi Dabu print suits available in only high fabrics. And yes, this is also the rustic maroon color, and this is a little bit different. Same the rustic maroon, but it's little bit more rustic in color. Yes, here the print is big motifs, big mango motifs. This will be your top, and this will be your bottom. Actually, bottoms also very beautiful. If you like the closed pattern, you can use this or this as a top and this as a bottom. It's your wish. You can use either of it. And this is a chunni, 2.5 meter in length, two sides zari border. Yes, this will be your beautiful rustic maroon top, which is priced at just 2,600 only. Grab all your beautiful favorite suits at High Fabrics. Yes, the next, yes, it is a sea blue or sky blue. This sky blue color suit will be looking like this. You can find the images in website like this only. Here we are showing by opening it or detailing it, but on website we just put some images. This is the top, beautiful blue top, Dabu print, and here this is your bottom. And this will be your dupatta. Yes, this is dupatta. And this suit also priced at 2,600 only. Look how beautiful all these are, how comfortable, flowy, elegant, whatever you can call it as. And these suits definitely make your day special. And next, it's a baby pink. Many girls' favorite baby pink suit. This will be your top with some long motif prints. This is the top, and this will be your bottom. And dupatta, gorgeous Dabu dupatta. Yes, this will be the dupatta. And this suit also priced at only 2,600. This is available on website. Very beautiful color it is. Next, yes, it is a dark violet. It's a rare color, or you can call it as magenta pink. Very attractive and elegant color. This will be your top, and the color here I am showing is as it is, because we take all the pictures in real shade of light, so don't bother about the color difference. This will be your bottom, and this will be your top. All the entire dress comes in same color. Chunni, dupatta, and chunni, bottom and top will be in the same color, but the print is different. This beautiful, so beautiful. And this beautiful suit is just priced at 2,600. You can get the original Dabu print Chanderi suits at just 2,600 only. And next is a dark green color suit. This will be your top, and yes, this will be your bottom. And same again, the dupatta. Yes, this is the beautiful dark green color suit, which is just priced at 2600 only. It's a steel grey, dark steel grey color suit, which comes in big leaf prints. This is also very nice rich color. It's just like a simple office wear color. Yes, this will be your top, which comes in two-side gold border, gold zari border. Yes, and here is the bottom. Bottom is also very pretty. You can use either of it as top or bottom. And this will be your dupatta. Yes, this is the dupatta. Beautiful steel grey suit. This is also priced at 2600 only. This is a violet color, not violet, it's called a dark blue, navy blue color suit, which comes in beautiful print, dabu print. This will be your top and this will be your bottom. And the same beautiful dupatta, which comes in 2.5 meter length and two sides gold zari border. Yes, this will be the dupatta. And this suit also priced at 2600 only. I'm very eager to show you because the colors and the prints are so attractive. And this is the same as I show you previous. So I'm not opening this. This is a two set piece. Next, this is also grey but little bit darker side compared to the previous one. And the print here is a little bit small motifs. Yes, this will be your top. And this will be the bottom. Bottom is more gorgeous. You can use either of it as a top or a bottom. And this is the dupatta. This will be your dupatta. Beautiful dupatta, grey color, little bit darker side than previous. And this suit also priced at 2600 only. This is also I have shown previous blue, pink color, Rani pink color suit. This already I have shown, so I am not opening this. Please grab this beautiful suit at www.hayafabrics.com in the category of dress materials, Chanderi dress materials particularly. All the different colors of suits now just I have shown are the same as shown in this video. There is no change in color because we took it as in a real light. And the outfit which I am wearing today also is from Haya Fabrics only. Please DM for other details or drop a message in this video. Please like and subscribe our channel for next coming updates. Thank you from Haya Fabrics.